bag is bad. I'm going to be running outside. Just to keep it water resistant. Some money right here. Right there. And now we have a bag over it. This should be waterproof. Okay. I'm going out. That's rough rain. This thing was empty before. Now over here. What I'm going to do now is going to run that way. I think let's get to the road. Get some cover myself. This is heavy rain right now, so. I'm going to take off this pants because they have shorts underneath. I ruined these in the pants. Wait! Okay, pants are off and I have to throw this back inside. Okay, I'm good. Pants are off. Shorts are ready. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I'm wearing shorts as you can see. Pants are off. I'm gonna run out there right now. Look at that road! I am soaked right now. I'm literally soaked. Vegas, extremely soaked. I am wet already. I was barely out there. I'm soaked from my face down. That's just heavy rain. It's blurry because of the and I can see blue sky over there. And my face is dripping right now. It's passing by actually. Listen, the wind just died down. I can't put this in the water to see how deep it is. It's not waterproof. It's bad. See to hear the sound of the bag. It's big drops. Let's see how deep this water is right now. That's deep water right there. Shoot some birds, I'm out of here. I'm soaked, extremely soaked right now. Face down, I am soaked. Damn. This is crazy, man. My head is totally soaking wet. My feet are soaked. The whole body is pretty much soaking wet. Back is wet. I'm all wet right now. Clean it up. Sorry about the movement. Probably gonna be a little shaky and noisy, but clean up the lens. I'm getting dripped on right now. A lot of rain. A thunder right there. Look at the roads. can't see him. Rain's dying down. It's good. Because I smell smoke. That's the road. You can't see well. It's too bad. I can't figure that up. There's no water. Hope there's no water in there. It's full of water. Look at this. It's pouring. It's slowing down. The rain's calming down, but it's still like thunder, lightning, and wind. I'm getting cold. I don't know what temperature it is either. I can't see the camera. So I'm going back inside. I'm going to cut out the video. The rain is dying down right now, pretty much. But look at the streets. Almost to the middle of the road is flooded. Right here, it's almost up to right halfway cleared away. Up there, look at down there. It's always flooded over there. Fuck it. Screw it. I'm going to run down there.